Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of a Thinkware Q800 Pro dash cam with the rear camera option. Even if you don't have a driver's license, or if you like to let your fancy car drive you around, there's one thing you know, and that is the world is unpredictable. And the best way to handle that is to have some insurance and backup in case mayhem and chaos have you on their list. So, let's get into it and see what's in the box. Let's see what we got in here. Got the main camera unit. We have a hard wiring kit with a power outlet adapter, multilingual manual, I have an adhesive backing plate, I have an SD card adapter, some more adhesive. I have a micro SD card, 32 gigabyte. And then we have some adhesive holders for the wire. Let's see what the camera looks like. See what we got in here. Got the rear view camera itself. And we have the wiring. Looks like we got quite a bit in there. That's good. Here's some footage of both of the cameras installed in my car while I talk to you about some of the features. It has a 1440p recording, a 140-degree viewing angle, parking surveillance mode if you have it hardwired, gives you your GPS position, and it has a red light camera warning. It has a G sensor. It beeps when you've exceeded its parameters. You can adjust the sensitivity to your desire. A manual recording button you can push in case your spidey senses are tingling, or if you're doing 30 rolls. It has a mute button, so if you're involved in some nefarious activities and you don't want there to be an audio recording of it, you do have that option. It will display your speed on the video if you choose to, for bragging rights. If there's no video, it didn't happen, am I right? I mean, you paid for the whole speedometer, and you're going to use the whole speedometer. It comes with a 32 gig micro SD card. I recommend 128 or the 256. I run the 256 because I'm running two cameras. But if you want to be a baller, get the 1 terabyte. You know you want to. With that being said, here's some video of what I've captured. In the crazy world we live in just a short couple of months, I've had these cameras installed. Well, here I am, driving down the street, minding my own business, jamming out to some Yanni, when this individual decides they would sit on their scooter and push it across the street with their feet. Needless to say, they almost got ran over. So here I am, driving down the interstate, minding my own business, jamming out to some Barry Manilow, and I notice this semi up here pulls off into the Welcome Center, which is a little weird. I don't see a lot of semis in the Welcome Center. So I took a little look over and I see the thing's got smoke coming out from underneath it. Sounded like the brakes are locking up, the engine was overheating, or what the heck was happening. But here's a picture from the front and rear cameras. Well, here I am driving down a little quaint, quiet neighborhood in the morning, jamming out to a little Bjork, and this guy decides he's gonna blow right through the stop sign. I mean, I'm telling you, the people in this world are crazy, and if you don't have a dash cam, you should really consider getting one. Whether it's this one or another brand, it's a well worth investment. Hopefully I've shown you that in this video. I'm gonna leave you with this B-roll of me almost running over a desk or a chair. I'm not really sure what it was. But while you watch this, I'll roll some like, subscribe, share stuff on the screen. So try to do some of that, and I'll see you on the next one.